are you doing?
Hi there, Leslie. I'm making a salad for my lunch. Red, orange, yellow, green,
Blue!
purple. They make a rainbow. Hello, students. I have something so colorful to share with you today. Do you notice anything about these fruits and vegetables? What if I arrange them like this? That's right, they make a rainbow. Fruits and vegetables come in every color imaginable. Ooh, a strawberry. Why do you think they come in all these colors? These are so good. Maybe they come in all different colors so that our eyes are attracted to them. And some fruits and vegetables come in more than one color, like these bell peppers. All right, let's get cooking.
Hi, Mr. Ritz. What are you doing?
Hi there, Leslie. I'm making a salad for my lunch, and I'm starting with these beautiful red tomatoes. Doesn't this look delicious?
Ooh, yeah, they do. Hey, Mr. Ritz, what makes tomatoes red?
Great question, Leslie, because they don't start out red, do they?
No, they start out green.
That's right, until they grow up and get bigger and bigger, and they're ready to ripen. That's when the tomato produces powerful nutrients, including lycopene. Big word alert! Lycopene is what makes tomatoes red.
Wow, that's also when tomatoes start to taste good too, right?
Sure, but you can eat a tomato when it's green too.
Really?
No one's stopping you, Leslie. Have you ever heard of fried green tomatoes? They're delicioso.
Oh yeah, I guess I have. But what's so special about red foods?
Red foods improve your skin and your heart and help fight disease. What other fruits and vegetables are red, Leslie?
Ooh, I know. Strawberries, red peppers, beets, cherries, raspberries, watermelon, radishes, and even some red lettuce.
Delicioso.
What's next, Mr. Ritz?
Orange.
That's not an orange, Mr. Ritz. That's a carrot.
Yes, of course. Orange is the only color that is also the name of a fruit. And the next color in my salad is orange. Carrots are great in a salad.
What makes carrots orange?
There's a special nutrient in carrots that make them turn orange, and that nutrient has a superpower.
Tell me.
It's called beta-carotene. Big word alert! And it protects your eyes, increases your blood flow, and encourages every cell in your body to grow healthy.
That's a pretty cool superpower, Mr. Ritz.
Leslie, can you think of some other fruits and vegetables that are orange?
Oranges and sweet potatoes, peaches, apricots, cantaloupe, mangoes, and pumpkins. What's next?
Yellow.
I know what that is. That's a yellow bell pepper.
Very good, Leslie. That's right.
Don't bell peppers come in different colors?
Yes, all peppers start green, and as they ripen, they change to yellow, or orange, or red, or even white or purple. And the nutrients inside of them change too. Peppers can be sweet or spicy, just like people. I bet you know some of the other yellow fruits and vegetables, right, Leslie?
How about lemons, golden zucchini, bananas, yellow peppers, summer squash, and corn?
It's cold.
Hey, wait, doesn't salad usually have lettuce in it?
Yes, greens. I've got to have greens in my salad. You can't forget the greens. These are my favorites.
Arugula!
Exactly, arugula. It's fun to say and even more fun to eat.
So why doesn't it change color?
Well, arugula is a leafy green, and the leaves are green, aren't they?
Does that mean they don't have superpowers?
No, Leslie, they do. Green foods are some of the healthiest foods you can eat. They help your blood, your bones, your brain. They improve your mood, help you fight off colds. What other fruits and vegetables are green, Leslie?
Ooh, I know. Spinach, kale, cucumbers, zucchini, broccoli, basil, celery, green beans, limes, pears, and green apples. Wow, Mr. Ritz, there are so many green foods.
There are so many greens. Did you know that we can see more shades of green than any other color?
That makes sense. It's everywhere.
What's the next color on the rainbow?
Blue!
Blueberries. I love blueberries.
Are you going to put blueberries in your salad too?
I never have, but that sounds delicioso to me. It's worth a try, right?
Are you going to save some for the salad?
Yes, sorry, I can't help it, but they're so juicy. I love it.
Superpower time!
Yes, they reduce inflammation and help your body stay a healthy weight. And they prevent type 2 diabetes and other diseases as well. Can you think of some other fruits and vegetables that are blue?
This is a hard one.
How about elderberries, Concord grapes, blue corn, and there's even a blue tomato called the indigo rose tomato. Isn't that beautiful?
It looks like a giant blueberry.
Well, this tomato has the same nutrients as blueberries, so that's why it turns blue, just like a blueberry.
What's this purple thing?
A red cabbage.
Well, that doesn't make sense.
You're right, Leslie. Red cabbages are actually purple. Leslie, can you think of any other purple fruits and vegetables?
Eggplant, blackberries, plums, and this one is hard too.
I've seen purple cauliflower.
Ooh, and purple carrots too. And purple sweet potatoes.
Very good. There's so many fruits and vegetables that come in so many colors. Thanks for all your help in the kitchen today, Leslie.
You're welcome.
Now that we've got all the ingredients for my rainbow salad, let's give it a toss. Remember, eating a rainbow of foods every day will help give you superpowers and will help you live a long, healthy life. That's an amazing salad. I love the extra burst of sweetness from the fruit. Next time you help out making dinner, maybe you can help make the salad. For more cooking recipes, check out our Tower to Table to Tummy series. I'll add a link in the description below. See you next time, students.
Uh-huh.